This is my sister Capri.
And your cousin's coming soon.
And then there my cousin Isabella. And let's get on with the video. I can't believe it. Ellie, is that you? Ellie! I missed you so much.
Yep,
I'm there.
I can't.
Ah! Oh my gosh.
I bet you can't find me.
Okay, I'm gonna come get you right now. I see you!
I'll be back.
Oh my gosh.
I just went out the roof.
I know. I'm finna get to class though.
Okay, I'm in class.
I'm in class too. I'm sitting at a pink computer.
No! Okay, I'm on class. Okay, I got a book check and I got a white computer.
You got an X. I know you got an X because we got an X. My cousin should be here. I heard her chair roll up, so I think my sister just went downstairs and stuff. So yeah, I mean it doesn't really matter.
You started says hi. Alright, I'm gonna ace this. Even though I got 1 F, doesn't mean that I can get the ammo.
Oh, I just Isabella.
There you.
I'm right in front of you, sis.
Oh,
cause.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, you got shades on because you're so hot. I think Ellie left the school to go get something for her wings. Ow, my back hurts right now. Ow. Ow, this really hurts. It's very...
Get on my...
Ow! My wings, that really hurt.
Fire.
But I got wings. Look, Isabella, look.
No, to get back on the game. Gotta get on the game. Dude, why does it look like you got red? Why does it look like I got still got my gray hair? You got gray hair.
But you already loved your hair. Like,
wait, I have to get back on the game.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Just join the game.
I don't see anything. Capri, go to your home.
Capri, that's
all
not
you gotta
what
do is
you
just
do.
go to your home. All right,
now.
Oh, but I'll see you with your wings now.
Look.
Hey, party up is. Oh, I think her sister's coming too.
You mean my sister? That's not your sister.
Well, I'm your cousin. I don't know how because like I'm flyer and you guys are nature.
Well, still my cousin. This dance is finna get lit.
Okay, I think this wasn't good. Let me see. My hair down.
No, that's enchantress.
Okay. Get up. I'm going to war.
Alright.
Alright.
Pulls the rubber band out.
This is so pretty. Oh, it's oh, I think that means it's lit. It's lit, huh? Oh.
No. I stopped jumping. And you still have a ponytail.
I'm coming.
On my screen.
Look, I'm coming.
Sis, where are you? We're upstairs. Yeah. Okay. We just got finished with computer class. I finally made it. I see you, sis. I see you. Oh my gosh. I hate PE. Even though
I got some heels. Guys,
girl, you cheating because you got heels.
Ready? Where's Capri? Where's our sister? I'm waiting. Cause it's gonna take you right back.
Yeah, I might as well come back. It is gonna take me back.
Everybody's wearing skirts. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing.
I have sparkles and I don't. Why is everybody going? Y'all gonna get pulled back. Look at Shy. Okay, see, everybody just got pulled back.
CAPRI.
Go!
I got some heels. You say go, right?
Yes, it said go. That's why we left.
Oh, did it?
Yes, it did.
That's why we're going.
Yeah, we left.
I don't know why. Oh, now it's going.
Yes, it did. We're going. Look at Capri. I'm right behind you, Capri.
That's something to say green, Capri.
No, because we're gonna win. I see this girl. Her name is Liz. Looks like she could be a light love fairy because she's wearing yellow hair and she has pink clothes. No, you didn't. Capri's not. Move, Shy.
Oh! No, I fell.
No, my sister. I fell.
I was so freaking close, y'all.
Everybody was close. We got 6.
Yes, I made it next level.
I fell.
No.
Isabella. my gosh, my cousin. I'm stuck. We're all stuck as a big happy family and literally die. Isabel, I see you.
Oh my gosh, I'm in the water. Oh my god. Ow, ow.
Ugh.
Ow, 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 ow.
I fell.
Oh my god. Ow, ow. Oh god.
You're still climbing, you're still climbing. How come everybody passed me? I did not notice that. I'm the littlest one. I died. I'm dead.
Move!
Everybody made it except for me. I told you.
Ring the bell, ring the bell. I almost made it.
Stop crying. How you did make it? That's why you appeared over there.
But I got an app. That nigga some cheating. Yeah.
Cheer up, sis. There's gonna be better days.
I kill myself on purpose.
Why?
I don't know why, but I'm stuck. I'm gonna go get it doing. See, I'm gonna leave and come back because this game is acting up on me. Cause I had just loved, and then when I came down, I reset, and I was acting like that. Like, well.
Music class. I'm just gonna attend so I don't have to walk. Alright, now I'm not
going to music.
Yeah, I didn't go. Ew, this girl, her name was Andy and she was taken. That means that's messy. Anyway, back to the role play. Sorry guys. Sis, where did you go?
I'm gonna go find a door.
Oh. Sorry about that, F. It can be really hard at times. Especially since this game is cheating.
Oh my freaking god, this I can't see anything. I had to leave the game because it was acting up. So I shouldn't reset. I just should have just killed it.
Healing these roses, they're being tormented. Heal the roses now. Fill the soil with new seeds for the roses. For the roses.
If you just go up a little bit, then you see.
Okay, I'm finna check. The thing is, we're all fairies. Gamer Ice Fairy, Gamer Fire Fairy, and Gamer Mer Fairy. We're the fairy family.
Except I don't have I don't know how we're cousins because I'm not the fire fairy.
Right, it doesn't matter.
It was a dark fairy in here. It was a dark fairy in here, sis.
Sis, where are you?
Go up.
Oh gosh, I just got stuck. Okay,
You know I'm coming.
I'm not stuck no more.
You know I'm coming. Stop walking, because I'm coming.
Oh, I got homework.
Let me see.
Yeah, we have homework.
Let me see if I got homework.
You know you got homework. We didn't even. Oh, we did.
Oh yeah, I'm joining the game. But look at her! It's Cookie Fan forever. Look, she got purple hair, and he's just flying like Superman. Okay, I can choose the first one. You get to.
I'm on the second one now.
I'm on the second one too. All right.
I'm finna get off the second one.
Me too. What?
Oh, no,
I didn't do my homework. My God, I think
you don't have any homework because you're joining again.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So you're lucky.
But one time when I had joined it, I had homework.
Oh, you probably do have homework then.
The last time when I had joined it, I had homework. I figured out how to get off of
I'm
that
on the
thing
last
instead of
one
killing
now.
myself Good.
Alright, I'm done. Computer homework. Computer, swimming, and music.
Go to the dance. Okay, now I have to because my parents are gonna see my report.
Well, that's bad for you. But me and my sister.
What homework we got?
Computer, swimming, and music.
Okay, computer, swimming, music. I don't know why you gotta write anything for music, but that is just dumb.
They're probably about the essay of music.
Wow.
I am. Oh, I just jumped off the roof.
Y'all know what? At the dance, I'm gonna sign up on the sheet so I can sing.
You know what? I'm a 1.
I just signed the sheet. I can sing at the dance.
Go girl. Go girl.
I don't know where swimming is.
You know swimming, the pool. You haven't been to the pool? Oh my gosh.
Arts? Okay.
I see Princess Emma. No, we don't have any art homework, sis. Come on. Why are there 2 Emmas? What are you doing?
Where is computer?
Computer is upstairs.
It's like in the library.
Yeah.
My game still has it.
Going.
She said yes, but
Let me know if it loads, okay?
Alright, alright.
Just like
Okay.
Alright, I think it's kind of loading now. Alright,
Alright, it's loading.
Okay, I can't find you.
Alright, I'm there.
Okay.
I cannot find
Capri,
computer.
it's upstairs.
Capri, computer's in the library. Where are you?
I'm upstairs, but I don't know.
Where are you guys at?
Go check upstairs. Not that upstairs, Capri. The upstairs with the elevators.
Oh, that upstairs.
Oh yeah, okay, I found you. Alright.
How would you like it if I
I'm
did
gonna go to the
things
library
you
to do my
do?
homework,
Hey,
okay?
wait for me.
Move then. Oh, this
I'm
you,
turning
Capri.
in my homework.
I'm in with Isabella.
Capri,
I'm in here with Isabella.
Capri, I almost got mad at you. Alright, get out. Let me move. Alright, I'm finna go sit down. I'm finna go sit down and go do my homework.
I'm trying to turn in my homework, but it's not letting me. I'm pressing the dang thing. Turn in my homework.
Oh, it says no homework to do.
See, I told you you
Come
probably
on,
won't
Ella,
have
let's
no homework.
go. Let's go downstairs. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Ella, if you don't come on with your slow butt, what are you
They're
doing?
not letting me turn in my homework. And her name isn't Ella, it's Ellie.
Brooklyn, I thought you were coming.
Swimming.
That girl said Brooklyn. I thought, dang, I just not failed.
She said that because she was talking to Brooklyn.
Oh, shoot.
And she said
Capri,
something about.
your stupid
Alright,
thing,
finally it turned in my
Capri,
homework.
I finna say your name. Capri.
I see Michaela and I see Capri.
I'm trying to find swimming.
Swimming is downstairs.
Hey,
I'm
Ellie.
going all upstairs.
Hey, why's this girl crying? Cries.
Oh, I'm on the chart. I'm on the chart.
Where?
Oh my gosh, look behind the thing. I'm on the chart. Y'all better like this video. I am on the chart, level 6.
Capri,
Let's
told me, I said,
go.
hey, Ellie, look in your comment.
I see Michaela, she said that.
Okay, I think Capri's in swimming class trying to return home.
I am on the chart.
Where are you? Return my homework.
Where are you, girl?
Who, me?
The ladies' restroom.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm downstairs now.
Hey, after the dance, you guys want to go swim? You guys want to go find your dorm together? And then after that, when class is over, you guys want to go swimming?
I just took a poop.
I mean, sure.
Oh, shoot. I think I see Capri. Shh.
I see Michaela's name. The dance.
Capri, get ready. Capri, get ready. Get ready.
Go in here. Go in here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Where y'all at?
What's the girl laughing? She said, ha, ha, ha.
Capri, mom said.
Capri, you talk about this girl.
Oh, now
This name. This girl name is Bree.
Is it gonna be long? Okay.
I'm trying to turn in my homework. It's not letting me turn in the homework. Alright, and that is it. Thank you for watching.